Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi to Madam Wan Nur Hazimah. In this video, our group will present about the group project that we choose company name UBF Maintenance Senior Berhad. So let's start with introducing ourselves first.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noridaya binti Abu Bakar. My number matric 2023248216.
My name is Aminah Zah binti Muhammad Afandi, matric number 2023248364.
My name is Nur Ainina binti Ismail. My matric number 2023248076.
Hi, my name is Nur Aznisha Izanti binti Azam. My matric number 2023248664, and I'm from D1BA 2C2
UBF Maintanence Senior Berhad is a local Bumi Putra company incorporated in June 1995 with the aim to cater for businesses created by the oil and gas, petrochemical and general industries. After years of being engaged in the industries, UBF has acquired a good reputation among many other service providers in Malaysia. The company also holds several international certifications, including ISO 9001 in 2015, ISO 14001 in 2015, and ISO 45001 in 2018, which reflect its commitment to quality, environmental responsibility, and occupational safety. With more than 100 employees and steady financial growth, UBF Maintenance continues to strengthen its presence in the heavy and civil engineering construction sectors. In its Kemaman branch, the Quality Assurance and Quality Control QA/QC department is led by Encik Muhammad Amiruddin, who served as the Manager QA/QC Manager in UBF Maintenance Senior Berhad. Since operations in 1995, UBF MSP has been managed by a team of dynamic personnel who possess vast experience and knowledge in various fields of specialization and are constantly trained to undertake tasks in the field of mechanical, engineering, electrical and instrumentation, structural and civil, specialization in construction, and procurement service. This come together with a strong commitment and momentum from the company's managing division in providing a strong company background and steering the company into a clear direction. The professionalism and dedication by their staff have gained the confidence of our clients, who are ensured of timely delivery. This has led to the building up of long-term relationship with their constant training and technology. UBF MSP established a one-stop center where all their clients' needs can be met and effective solutions provided with a HSE and quality control. UBF company's solution can interface and manifest itself efficiently to reflect a final analysis of cost saving.
Type of stressor. Employees at UBF Maintenance Company face several types of stresses that come from both their roles, their job roles and their organization. One of the most significant is workload. Employees are often required to manage multiple projects at the same time, meet strict deadlines, and maintain high standards. The unpredictable nature of maintenance work with sudden urgent repairs or emergencies disrupt schedule and force longer working hours. This constant pressure leads to mental fatigue and reduced overall job satisfaction. Another major stresses come from the specific demands of the job. Maintenance staff are frequently involved in strenuous tasks such as lifting heavy machinery, working in uncomfortable position, and operating in the hazardous environments with exposure to heat, noise, and dust. These conditions increase the risk of injury and cause physical strain, which in turn creates emotional stress as workers become concerned about their health and safety. Interpersonal and organizational stresses also play a significant role. Miscommunication between management and staff often leads to confusion, frustration, and inefficiencies. Conflicts among colleagues may arise particularly in high-pressure situations where teamwork is critical. Additionally, limited opportunities for career progression and lack of recognition leave many employees feeling undervalued. Together, these factors create an environment where employees must juggle competing demands with limited resources to manage stress effectively. Next, impact on well-being. The accumulation of these stresses has a serious impact on employees' overall well-being. Basically, workers report fatigue, headaches, body discomfort, and disrupted sleep pattern due to long hours and heavy workload. Prolonged exposure to a stress weakens immune system, making employees more vulnerable to illness and increasing absenteeism. But psychologically and emotionally, continued exposure to workplace stress leads to anxiety, irritability, and frustration. Employees may become impatient with colleagues or clients, and in severe cases, prolonged stress results in burnout. Burnout is characterized by emotional exhaustion, demoralization, and a reduced sense of personal achievement, which ultimately lower motivation, concentration, and enthusiasm for work. Next, the negative effects of stress are also felt in employees' personal life. Many struggle to balance demanding work responsibility with family and social commitments. This imbalance often leads to strained family relationships, reduced social interaction, and feeling of isolation. Where employees carry workplace stress into their personal life, it prevents them from resting and recharging, creating a continuous cycle of stress. From an organizational perspective, declining employees' well-being directly affects productivity and service quality. Fatigued or disengaged workers are more likely to make mistakes, cause accidents, and underperform, which harm the company reputation and client satisfaction. Over time, chronic stress leads to higher turnover as employees seek less stressful workplace. This not only increases requirement and training costs, but also disrupts team dynamics, posing significant challenges to the organization's sustainability.
From the interview with UBF managers, several key findings about workplace stress were identified. Firstly, stress among employees mainly comes from heavy workload, strict deadline, and the increased demand of multitasking in a highly competitive environment. Many employees also struggle to balance their professional role with personal responsibility. As a result, they often experience fatigue, frustration, and low morale. Younger staff members find it even more challenging as they try to adapt to fast culture with high expectation. Managers are not exempt in their team. They must handle performance targets while at the same time keeping their team motivated and focused. If these issues are left unaddressed, they can lead to absence, reduced productivity, and even resignation. To respond to this challenge, UBF have introduced a wide range of stress management initiatives. These include flexible working hours to help staff manage their time and the reduction of excessive overtime to prevent burnout. The company also organized wellness programs and stress management seminars to provide staff with effective coping strategies. Next, counseling service and employees assistance programs are made available, offering confidential professional support. Managers are trained to identify early signs of stress and burnout among staff so that they can provide timely intervention. Most importantly, UBF work to build a caring and supportive culture where employees feel safe to talk about problems and seek help. Apart from this structured program, UBF has also adopted a new stress management approach that focuses on problem-solving coping strategies as described by Disraeli in 1998. Lastly, the manager and special that while work pressure in an inevitable part of modern organization, UBF believes it can be managed wisely through proactive policies, strong leadership support, and continued investment in employees' well-being. UBF strives to create an environment where the staff feel appreciated, motivated, and empowered. This not only benefits employees individually but also strengthens the organization efficiency and long-term sustainability. Thank you, Nur Ainina. So I will continue with the next slide. Based on our findings, workplace stress is a serious issue that can directly affect both employee well-being and company performance. Therefore, I would like to share several solutions and recommendations that UBF Maintenance Sdn Bhd can implement. For the solution, first we propose introducing structured stress management programs, such as awareness seminars and mindfulness training to equip employees with practical skills to handle pressure. Secondly, we recommend strengthening the employee assistance program by providing confidential counseling sessions, so employees have professional support when facing personal or work-related challenges. Thirdly, we should promote work-life balance by ensuring fair scheduling, adequate rest, and avoiding excessive workloads. Moving on to the recommendation, we encourage the company to create a culture of open and judgment-free communication, where employees feel safe to voice concerns. Next, it is important to conduct regular well-being assessments through surveys or reviews to monitor stress level and identify areas for improvement. Lastly, we recommend training leaders and supervisors to recognize early signs of stress among team members and to provide empathy and appropriate support. By implementing these strategies, UBF Maintenance can not only maintain its strong reputation in safety and quality, but also ensure the long-term well-being and motivation of its workforce. So that's all from our group. Thank you for your time and attention.